Guys, welcome to my channel. How you doing? I really miss vlogging so much, and I'm so happy that this video is happening because it's gonna be super productive, and I feel like this is gonna be one of my favorite Sunday resets. And I realize that y'all love watching these videos on my channel, so why not do more? I know I had to change my outfit because y'all, we about to do some serious cleaning. Like, when I say if you're trying to be productive, this is the video that you want to watch, because first we just went grocery shopping, so now we're back in the house, and yeah, that's why I changed my clothes. Now I have to unpack the groceries. After I unpack the groceries, I have to clean the bathrooms, thoroughly clean the bathrooms, because this is a new apartment. So yeah, even though like it came clean, like, you know, there's still certain things that you want to do, and we've been living in here for like 24 hours now, and it's a whole bunch of boys in here, and I'm the only female, so it's like, yeah, if you know, you know. Like, if you live with boys, you understand, you get the picture. I just wanted to come and talk to y'all real quick, tell y'all what was going on. I usually don't like do in real life talking in my Sunday resets, but I wanted to do something different today, so yeah. I feel like I had something else that I needed to say, but I can't remember, and I want to hurry up and like get these things in order.
On the beat.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you want.
I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past.
I know I can love you, at least not in that way. I need something new. Something. Too used to your ways, too used to the games. I'm tired of it. trust you. I'm blowing up your phone, wondering who you be with when you say you're alone. Tell me that you love me, but knowing that you don't. I feel like I can't trust you. I'm blowing up your phone, wondering who you be with when you say you're alone. Tell me that you love me, but